Ni hao. Hello, this is Lars Masterclass. My name is Lawrence. Welcome back to our Chinese Master Course, HSK1, Lesson 2, Episode 2. In the Episode 1 of this video course, we learned 3 ways to say thank you in Chinese language and also learned 3 ways to respond to that. We also learned how to say goodbye in Chinese language with other things. In this very episode, we are going to look into the 6th and 7th stroke orders of Chinese language. Apart from that, we are going to learn these strokes with 4 new characters and also see how these characters was written in ancient time till our time. Stay tuned and watch out. The 6th basic stroke of Chinese language is known as hanzi. It is written with horizontal line then turning down immediately. Horizontal line turning down immediately. That is, it has horizontal with vertical line, but the two lines we are joined together. In Chinese, we call this stroke hanzi. The first character that we are going to use to discuss this stroke is called kou. Kou. But before we start discussing about this character, let's quickly watch a few seconds video on how this character was written in ancient time and how it was written in our time. We are going to see how it was evolved back then. Watch out. The ancient Chinese time used the human face, the mouth of a human face, to form this very character called. Back in the time, it was evolved in many forms, but during the evolutions, it all look exactly like the mouth of a human face. And then till our present time. So let's quickly see the evolutions of this very character. It undergoes 4 evolutions before it comes to the 5th one. So let's see how to write it. Vertical stroke, horizontal turning, and a horizontal stroke. It has 3 strokes orders. 3 strokes orders, giving us call, meaning what? Mouth, entrance, or an opening. Call. Beautiful. We've learned that call literally means mouth. Let's learn new characters with this call. The first one is 口渴 口渴 meaning what? Thirsty. 口渴 For example, if I am thirsty, I will say 我口渴了我口渴了 meaning what? I am thirsty. So let's quickly learn another word with this call. Another word we can learn is 可口可乐可口可乐 meaning what? Coca-Cola. 可口可乐 So 可口 on its own means something that is tasty. Then 可乐 means cola. So but these 2 words when they come together, it generally means Coca-Cola. 可口可乐可口可乐 So in Chinese, if we want to say Coke, like the drink that we all know, we say 可乐 That is what we call Coke. 可乐 So 可口可乐 means Coca-Cola. So what about Coca-Cola Company? 可口可乐公司可口可乐公司 meaning Coca-Cola Company. Beautiful. But remember, the point that we want to bring out here is how to write that call. That is the major point. How to write call with hanzi. Let's look into another character where this hanzi also appears in. The next character we are going to discuss with is zhi. But before we start with the discussion, let's quickly watch a very short video to find out how this character was written. So the character zhi was formed from a picture of a sun. The ancient Chinese time used the picture of a sun to write this character. That means this character is also a part of the pictographic characters. See the evolutions till our present time. Let's see how to write this character. Shu, héngzhé, hong, hong, giving us zhi. It has four strokes orders. Beautiful. We've learned that zhi literally means day, sun, or date. We use zhi when talking about day or date. But let's quickly give two examples with this character. The first one is 日本. 日本literally means Japanese. Japanese. Japanese people are called 日本人. Then, if I want to say I'm a Japanese, I will say 我是日本人.我是日本人 meaning I am. 我是 is I am. 日本meaning Japanese. 人我是日本人 meaning I'm Japanese. Beautiful. Another one where this character also appears in is 日本. 日本literally means a diary book. Remember, we say 日 literally means day, date, or sun. So G on its own means note, to record down something. So when it comes together, it means diary. Because diary, in a diary book, we must have date, with days and other things. Then we take down our notes. So 日志本 meaning diary book. Let's also find out another place where this re also appears in. 你瑞丽亚 meaning what? Nigeria. It also appears in Nigeria. Nigeria in Chinese is called 你瑞丽亚. For example, I'm a Nigerian, so I can say 我是你瑞丽亚人. I'm a Nigerian. 我是你瑞丽亚人. Beautiful. Let's quickly move into the next seventh stroke, which is called 竖折. 竖折 is a vertical turning stroke. Let's also quickly see where this stroke appears in one of the characters that we're going to discuss with them. The first one is Shān, Shān. Let's quickly find out the meaning of this character in a short video, and also find out how it was also written in ancient time and also how it was written in our present time. Watch out. So Shān means hill or mountain. In ancient Chinese time, they used the picture of lower and a higher hill to write the character. So when looking at the evolutions, you will discover that this very character has a stroke of short and a longer stroke. That shows that this very character is also part of the pictographic character, because a picture of a higher and a lower hill was used to form this very character. Let's see how to write this very character. Shu, shùzhé, shu. It has three strokes orders. Giving us Shān, meaning what? A hill or a mountain. Hill or a mountain. Shān. Beautiful. We've learned that Shān literally means mountain. Let's quickly learn these characters with two examples. The first one is Shān, Shāng, Shān, Shāng, Shāng, Ang, Shi, Ang, Shān, Shāng. Remember, I know this character might be a little bit difficult for you to differentiate. Please, it is better you go back to our pinyin discussion video. We have 1 to 11 videos there. Watch all the whole videos. It will help you in the pronunciations, because I know here a lot of people get it wrong. You know, why differentiating the characters. So Shān, Shāng, Shān, Shāng meaning what? Above or on top of the mountain. Shān meaning mountain. Shān. When we are talking about the second stroke orders, we also discussed this when we said mention, Shān. So we discussed that day that Shān literally means above, on top of something. So Shān meaning what? On top of a mountain or above a mountain. So for example, if I want to say I am on top of the mountain, I can say 我在山上，我在山上 meaning what? I am at the top of the mountain. Then another example is 山下，山下 meaning what? Below or under. Xia literally means below or under. So 山下 meaning what? Below the mountain or under the mountain. So the same thing also applies. If I want to say I am under the mountain, I can as well say 我在山下，我在山下. We've learned two examples. 山上 meaning above the mountain, 山下 meaning below the mountain or under the mountain. Beautiful. Let's also see another examples where this shùzhé appears in the other character. Another character we are going to discuss this with is a character known as chu. Let's quickly watch a very short video and see how these characters appears in the 7th basic strokes. Chu literally means to go out, to come out, or to produce. This character was formed from a foot exiting from a cave, so it was also part of pictographic. Let's see how it is written in our time. So this very character has 5 strokes orders. Chu, beautiful. Chu, we've learned that chu literally means to go out, to come out. But let's quickly learn 2 examples with this chu. Chu literally means to go out to, because we need to add something to the chu for it to make sense, for it to really make sense, for someone to understand where we are going to. So when it works together with chu, it means to go out alone. Chu. So if you wanna tell someone to go out, we say 你出去, you go out. So the chu there on its own means to go. For example, let me make a sentence with that chu. 你去哪里? 你去哪里 meaning what? Where are you going to? Where are you going to? 你去 meaning you go. 哪里 where. So but when it comes together, if we are to translate it, we will say where are you going to? 你去哪里? So when it comes together with chu, it literally means to go out. Chu. Beautiful. Let's look into another sample. True lie on its own means to come out. To come out. It may be someone is hiding in a particular place and you want that person to be out from that place. You want to say, come out. Come out. You say in Chinese, 你出来. 你出来 means to come out. Meaning what? To come out. 你出来. So, lie there, let's explain it. The lie there means to come. Lie on that chu lie means to come. For example, if I want to say in Chinese, hey, you come here. You come here. We say 你来. So when the lie is added together with chu, it means chu lie, meaning to come out. To come out. Chu lie, to come out. So 你出来, it means you come out. Beautiful. Then the next one is 出口. 出口 on its own literally means exit. Why do we use ko in the 出口? I want you to just think about this. Ko, remember that we say that it literally means mouth. The mouth is always open, like If you want to take in or remove something, you need to open your mouth. So the mouth is always like an exit place, like an exit place. Something must exit from there. In China, when you go to a parking area, or a gas station, or the place that you can charge your car if you use electric car, you will see where it was written exit and Chuko Jinko. The Jinko means entrance, while the Chuko means exit. So in China, in many parks, you will see where they write Jinko, Chuko, Jinko, Chuko. So that is it. You will observe that Jinko Ko also appears here. There must be entrance and exit of something in the mouth. So Jinko, Chuko, Jinko, Chuko. Beautiful. You can observe that learning this language is really very interesting to learn, because everything is being explained very well. Most of Chinese language is written pictographically, so it's easy. You can sense out what they are talking about. So today we'll be able to learn the fifth and seventh basic structure orders, which we call hanzi and shùzhé. We've been able to learn these strokes with four new characters, which are kou, zhi, shan, and chu. We've learned many things today. This is where we are going to be stopping today. Please, if you are new in our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment on our channel. Most importantly, don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get updates of our new videos. So we are rounding up here today. See you next time. 再见。